Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. So before we get into the video, let's give this video a thumbs up. If you're new around here, go ahead and hit subscribe, turn on the post notifications so you'll be alerted every time I post a new video. So something major is about to happen with AMC, guys. I know you guys could feel the tension in the air this morning from the crazy demand and the volatility that we experienced. Running up as high as $34 per share, then pulling back, coming down to 26, exactly what we was expecting. We expected for that to happen, but due to the fact of what happened, meaning Halts coming in early, that means we shouldn't have experienced what we experienced. Even though I prepared you guys for it, I told you guys on yesterday that after running up 80% in the past week, regardless, everybody manipulation this, manipulation that. That's the first thing people want to run to when they don't necessarily know exactly what else to say. Of course, AMC stocks being manipulated, but overall, still due to the overall market, this is how the market operates. It'll run up crazy like it did and then pull back hard just to scare the new people that just got involved and got in, and scare the new people that just got involved with the play, guys. So that's exactly how the algorithm going to work. It's going to run up like hell, then it's going to pull back. But our key thing is not to give back all our gains, just to have some type of foundation to where we can continue to trend up, because we can't continue to go higher without pulling back first and bringing more people along to eat up the cheaper shares to then help push us through these next resistance levels, guys. So we need those. We need that choppiness. We need that pullback. We need that volatility. We need to run up $50, $30, $40, $50 on AMC share price and then pull back $10, $15, $20. That's exactly what we need to see in order to get to where we're going. We ain't going to be able to get to these high levels if you're scared of a little pullback. So like I always say, guys, I bet most of y'all were scared to even load up once you seen AMC go in the red and start dipping. Probably say, oh God, we going all the way back down again. But Hayes, if you paid attention, Hayes prepared you guys for what exactly levels, the best levels you is going to see after running up as much as we did. I ain't expect for us to go too much more lower, but if you go and pay attention to the videos, I stated and said if we pull back, which I believe we will be doing, we will pull back to that first $25, $26 level. We came down to 26. We fulfilled that. And we said worst case scenario, if they really want to drop the ball, drop the rock, we could possibly see previous resistance at 23. That would be, very, very, a low possibility of seeing that, but it's a worst case scenario. Just in case it was to happen, you won't be like, oh man, we done been, it's going all the way back down. Because like I told you guys, that over, that 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, that's over. It's a new day, it's a new prices, guys. So also we know that the media like to put a narrative on assets or securities that start to run off. Like the narrative they try to put on AMC is they just invested over $27 million into this gold and silver mining company and own 22% of that company. AMC purchased that company at $1 and some change a share, and now the company is over double or where they got in it. So AMC, if they was to pull out and sell a certain percentage of their stake or all their stake, they done doubled that 27 million. Now they done stay up 60 million. And a lot of people were saying, oh, this wasn't a good investment. This wasn't good. This and everybody looking at it kind of funny. I told you guys from the jump, that was a gold mine. It's a gold mine company they're investing in, and it's a gold mine decision that they did. And it damn sure paid off. So AMC, kudos for making that move. And like people probably like, well, what's the outcome of this? How is they going to benefit? This thing could potentially continue to go higher. The company that they invested in, because it's drawing hype and attention because of AMC as well, and a lot of they investors are looking into that, wanting to invest in it. Okay, Hannah, I'm coming. And so basically, that most definitely could benefit both parties, them and us. So AMC most definitely is making the right moves, and they're moving strategically to make sure they do the best thing for shareholders fundamentally and not for the squeeze. But like I say, whenever they continue to build up things to the best of both worlds, whenever you holding something that could potentially squeeze and also you holding something that's going to be valuable, you in a win-win situation. It will make you hold and have even more conviction with the play, guys. So this thing is just getting started, and the volatility, that little run up this morning just to pull back, that was expected. I said the exact thing could happen yesterday. I was like, we'll run up first, continue to run up. We ran up and then they would drop it. And that's exactly what happened, guys. So this thing is about to get crazy because we see exactly how they try to halt it as well, because even though I was right with what happened, I could have been wrong. And I most definitely would have been wrong if they wouldn't have halted it. If they wouldn't have halted the stop, the reason they did that is because there's so many people was ready to buy on today and rush in. Now they got a little scared. You probably don't believe it, but people definitely get scared when they see red. I don't care how high a stock can go. Soon as people see red, they scared. They don't got that same intention on buying. They don't want to buy as bad as they want to buy when it was just at 34. It sounds crazy, right? At 34, you were so ready to buy. Soon as you seen 27, 26, you scared. Like, dang, is it going to come lower? Is it what? So that's exactly how the human nature works, guys. And whenever they halted it to the downside like that, they just basically paused it. They had to pause it, because if they wouldn't have, we could have ran up like hell. That's why it's so hard for us to actually see the full potential of this squeeze. And I'm going to make my video sharing my opinion on the peak and what I expect for it to do.